Hi, I'm Samantha from Doughcraft. We're going to go through the recipe for savoury donuts. So to start off with, we add the milk, followed by your yeast. We're going for 2 tablespoons, and then we're going with about 3 eggs. So then we go with your sugar, which is half a cup. So at this point it's just till it's all combined, and then we added the butter. And it's best if you can use your dough hook attachment. So butter is 150 grams. If you're doing it at home and you're making it that day, glad wrap your bowl and then put it over to the side and come back in about 4 hours and start this process. So you can divide it up, there's no real weight. So you start off the process a bit flat, and what you want to do is work your hand into a cup to get your balls. From here we put it on a tray. If you're at home, glad wrap it. Make sure you have a container that the glad wrap won't sit on the actual dough, because when you go to pull it off, it will pull your dough and make it collapse. This is what the donuts will look like before you let them rest for, and it's normally another 30 to 45 minutes, and this is what they'll look like when they're ready to go in to get fried. So then they go into the fryer. We cook one side at a time until they are golden brown. You want to cook it also about 170 degrees. Too high, they'll burn and they won't cook in the dough won't cook in the center, and too low, the oil will soak into your donut and it won't be very pleasant. In this mix we have black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, and you've got chives and salt. Just to help it stick a bit, we have a slight glaze. So you guys at home can either use a sugar syrup, or you can just do a basic leaf of gelatin, dissolve it in your water, and mix that up. Roll it in. From there we're going to fill it. So in this mix we have cream cheese, salt, pepper, and then we just go in through the center, push through. Don't be afraid, it is soft, but it also can take a bit with it. And then top it with whatever you like. We use fried capers.